The project we are doing with Enabel is focusing on piloting the black soldier fly farming in Rwanda.
People didn't use this black soldier fly before. They used to use the fish meal and also the soybean.
The project will try to replace those soya meal and the fish meal that are more expensive with the protein from the black soldier fly larvae in general, and this has been proven to be very low cost.
If you were to make the porridge for human, you need soy. If you were to make the tofu, like alternative to meat, you need soy. If human needs the source of proteins from soybean, he would like to spend a lot of money compared to someone who is in production. So farmers would not buy the proteins at the same cost for those people who are going to consume the soy directly.
Other benefits for using the black soldier flies is that it is an environmental friendly technology.
To grow soys, it requires a huge land, but to grow the black soldier flies, it requires a very small land. Also, these black soldier flies, it is innovative because it uses the waste from livestock manure and waste from kitchen to produce the proteins that will be used to formulate the feeds for livestock.
The end result will be that the productivity and the profitability of the farmer will be increased.
We have the expertise, we have to pilot the farms at farmer level, but we need also the research-based information to improve what we are doing.
At the University of Ghent, master students will work on the project in collaboration with VSF on the black soldier flies. So these students will already try to optimize a bit the protocols to how to raise the black soldier flies. We are currently collaborating with a colleague from the University of Rwanda to start PhD research. And therefore we will set up together with VSF a research farm for black soldier flies at the University of Rwanda.
This information based on research findings will enable us to produce very accurate and efficient solution to farmers.
The farmers are using the black soldier fly larvae in their feed, animal feed formulation, to the extent that they testify themselves that the cost is being reduced. The principle is simple, but the impact is great.